Tomorrow is a Tesla earning day, so let's kick our video with Tesla because the price is accumulating and about to break from this triangle. We're going to discuss where the entry and where the profit taken after the earnings. DRMA price pumped almost 100%. We're going to discuss where the price will go. Are we going to have a continuation for this pump or not? BBY is still pumping almost 14%. Tested our resistance, got rejected when the market opened. WINT, we have a huge pump after we finish our live streaming. We're going to discuss as well, we're going to have the price going over the $20 as we have tested before around the 18 last Monday. We might have a retest for this price action in power hour. And of course we have SABS went down from the all-time high around the $1.43. We cut this price around the 82 breakout zone in our live streaming. Price going down, we might have a power hour for it as well. So let's kick our video with Tesla because the price is accumulating and is about to do something drastic when we break the $1.91. So the $1.91 is our breakout zone. $1.176 is our current support, and after we clear the 191.45 cents, we're gonna have this profit taken around the 207 after the earnings. So we have to watch out for a pre-market gap for Tesla for tomorrow pre-market. Next up, we got DRMA. The price went almost 100% in the pre-market. We have this price action in the pre-market. Yeah, we opened the market around this area. Yeah, we have this fake out when the market opened. The price went almost around the $4 and went down. At the time being, we have a breakout or resistance around this area. So this is giving us the first signal for squeeze around the $3.15 to be exact. The other one we got BBBY. Look what's going on. We have this flag and the price is about to squeeze from it. Let me just check. Oh, WINT crossing the $8.60. Okay, let me just check this one. Yeah, so the price is still inside this flag. Price go up, get shorted, go down. We have a huge buying pressure. Boom, 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 boom. The same reaction. So the reaction that we waiting for is breaking from this flag and precisely breaking the 33 cents. After we break the 33 cents, we're gonna have a parabolic action toward the profit taking the 35.90 and then the 39.23. Watch out for this, because if we broke this flag around this AMA, the 29 cents, this means the price will have a selling pressure toward the 26.38 and maybe even the 23. That's why we have to confirm that we still in bullish trend continuation as long as we hold in this flag. Next up, we got the other stock. Yeah, WINT hit our scan. Yeah, we already did chart analysis update for it, and we said the breakout zone and resistance is around the 1169. Here we did it around I think just 5 minutes ago before I did this video. Price was around the $10.49. We suggest for resistance around the 1161. The price got rejected. You see here we have a wick around our resistance. The price went down and now testing our support, the $8.59. Let me just check here. Yeah, this is an important support to hold for WINT, because if we broke it, it means going back toward the bottom price around the $6.19. Let me just check. Let me put another alert around this area just in case. If we hold, it means we're gonna have a retest for the $11.69 and going toward the 14 and 17. Next up, we got SABS. Looking good. We have a reversal. This is good. We have a bounce from the 80 cents now and testing the resistance around the $1.08. This one we cut it on our live streaming, and as well we did the watch list for today, and it was on our watch list, and the pre-market was consolidating here. We said the 80 cents should be our support. If we held it, we're gonna have a continuation. The price went down when the market opened, then reversed and squeezed. So this was a good trade for us because the price went until our profit taking, the $1.40, and went down after that. That's why we always suggest to take profit for our hunters, because of this reaction. Price went almost 50% and when the market opened, then got shorted 39%. We give all the profit that we did when the market opened. Now, if we want to get in once again, we have to watch out for two levels. The 80 cent as a support. The $1.08 has been tested right now around the $1.08. After we break this level, we're gonna have a continuation toward the $1.40 and the $2.13. Yeah, we might have this reaction in the tomorrow market, because let me just check how much we should have. Yeah, another 100%. So yeah, I suggest to take profit first around the $1.33, because this will be a bit far, but everything is possible, okay, in the market. The SPY, to give us a direction of the market. What's going on with the SPY? We have a bit of reversal, but the price is still holding. As mean whale is buying the SPY just below this resistance. So this is good, still holding this ascending channel. The next target is the 425 after we break the 416. We're gonna do live streaming as usual tomorrow around 3 p.m. CET, 9 a.m. Eastern time. Thank you for watching and see you in the next update.